Expressway Bao, Iknguira Shimray in Abamidale, Bao Ping Mesa Ainanganang Rumsa. District Kajida Price Monitoring Center Semga Kawai, Center na State Ping Lijizumi Haira. Department of Consumer Affairs Secretary Rohit Kumar Singh Nagahang, Kankana Audio Aman Yang Mikawai State na District Kajida Price Monitoring Center Haimi Palungra. Ajahantang Guwahati Northeastern States we Consumer Protection we Maramli Workshop Rumida, Rohit Nagahang, Zinguma Mayo Kachangai na Dangda, Shorkana Price Monitoring Centers, Shashini Hang Pangasim Hairu Sankawai Karin Sadalay, Kala Chiwivang Financial Support la, Makashwe Mira Dahanga. Consumer Affairs Secretary Chinagahang, Price Monitoring Division Chiaina, Center na Check Sada, Kankana Audio we Aman Hengagahi, Suida Kawai Kasana. Department of Consumer Affairs na Adam we Athishuda, Ot Aman we Dedala Mia, Kalangalay Hili, Kankana Gashagaza, Yur Maguda, Kaniwi Aman Yang Jidalay Dahanga. Department Jiling Asoda National Commission, State Commissions, Kala District Commissions na Kokasada, Consumer Interest Yang Midalay, Gaja Quality, Quantity Standards, Dasting Kala Benchmarks, Kashung Kawai Yang Midalay Chia. Consumer Protection, Kamathahi Consumer Commissions Li Infrastructure, Human Resource Kala Arihon we Akap Akai Technology Shikachin we Tungli Leira Gajahangda, Department China State Pingli Full Support Mira Jahaira. Policy Atishuda Consumer Commissions we Odkasali, Fund Kazangji, Akum Tangkhul State na Shok, Tangkhul Central Shokar na Shoki Kachina. Nakalanli President's Rule Haimi Kwai Bohaira. Parameters ngadidida we azingli Nakalan na, Shimray Tuida Osara Haira Gajihangda, State Chile President's Rule Haimi Kwai, Rising People's Party, RPP na Prime Ministers, Narendra Modi Libova Haira. RPP hi 2021 Kum Kasem, Nakalan Political Ausfida Kana. Rising People's Party with President Joel Naga Kala Vice President Vito Zona, BM Li Badishan Kapivada Kahang Nagaland Li, President's Ruling a Sakangai Signature Campaign Li, Meeting Gatum Shamadi Hamadi the Tharuk na Sharakui Haira. Nagaland Li Yariwi Pisa Kayam Gaza, Lansin Mashichin Gathe, Governance Magatem, Regasang Hagasang Makara Gala Yariwi Funds Chichin Kangwi, ang Red Aina Rashum Haira da Party Chinahanga. NIDI Ayog 2021 SDGI Index we parameters Taruk, poverty, health, affordable energy, sustainable cities, industries kala infrastructure we lila Nagaland la section makeup kajile zang daleda party Chinahanga. Thermakeup kaji CAG report athishuda Nagaland we government department sagorili grow ting ting shichin kangwe leda layada Rising People's Party with petition chile kapisanga. Ukhrul District Administration na International Day for Differently Abled Persons Mayon Mida, Shigashinaw Bing Le Kangajon 8 na Appliances Mishokaira, Kazipchi District Administration na District Social Welfare, DSWO, District Disability Rehabilitation Center Kala, Composite Regional Center for Skill Development, Rehabilitation Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities Infal, Ling Shigda, DRDA Holy Rumia. Ukhrul District Deputy Commissioner Krishna Kumar Namaso Wasada Vazang, Kala DSWO, Kanghujam Longbok Nganba Salaichana, Functional President, La Nodal Official DTRC, Yuman Thanbir Singh Nakaya Wasada Vazanga. Kazip Chili Differently Abled Persons Sang Pangagadale, Wheelchair, Kamshui, Hearing Aid, Cluster Elbow, Kala Blankets Tigatha Zangda Kangajon Mihira. Differently abled persons being with schemes ngadada kale, Shijinkui Kawai IAS Krishna Kumar Nagasasanga. Atumivang Kapakwira Kawai District Administration Nala, upon a data aina hotna dalejia. Differently abled persons being na BWTW electoral roll di Mingchen Ngarokda special facilities Sampangkwiluda DCH Hangsanga. Maipung production week atharuga annual red carpet mikok kamiay nang soda ihanung hauga kachi movie ya really kare sada kachithe angaran angaye kwiga haira angaran angaye chi Ukhrul Town Hall ajontang kwigada gazip chile minister Kashim Vashum namaso wasada wazanga kala income tax retired chief commissioner Timothy Zimik na kaya wasada bangaruma ihanung hauga kachi movie chi obet vashana gagapi mirin karajan shoka highly banda samgashokna Mirin Karajanli Banda Miping na Yangapai Kala, Tamkui Bailakra Gaji Gagasat Kala Shikasan Kalewi Van Kwikashok Najia. Film Chili Kangarovu, Angel Shimrana movie Kanam Chiwi Maram Handa, Maling Laka High Production Li Osa Kangarumu Ringapa Pongshoka. Minister Khashim Vashum na kamatui li kahang ima yurgali zat li khala gaji theida gajot kaya kha leila khangja ring pa mirin kharajan gala ari havu ngara Malaysia the khangrok shinaw li rega khare ki gacha lila rin nga sakngai gaji hang sanga Maipung Production with COO Director Sima Awungshi Nagahang Movie Ji Khusho Kwai Gasali Gajotara Kasampang Salala Teamwork Mathala Gaina Leda Gahab Jili Magan Kuida Semsho Kashap Najia President Draupadi Murmu na Empowerment of Persons with Disabilities we National Awards Mishokaira Award Ji Achikumai na Achakumui Kami Gasana Aya New Delhi Li Shorkarna International Day of Persons with Disabilities Mayonda Awards Jili Ponda Migashokna President Murmu Nagahang United Nations na Theka Kuya Thishuda Ogtwili mi billion akagada shegishi ledele Juwiga Kaladva mi jishedwi li akava kika akali disability kalena jia Kala India we mishingaina yangaka akum kanina persons with disabilities nagachihanda persons with disabilities being la kaya gami rin ring asa kwai gasali itum saigoro we od ngarut sangdale atum na kapha gadam gashi sampang kwai Shimray yari shangli save sa kwai gala atum na ninga chang career li zada ngarai gacha employment apong sampang kwai gasali itum saigoro na od ngarut khwing yiya da president na hanga KNO, KNA, Gala ZRO, ZRA li suspension of operation agreement later Kalechi, Katakwe Alungli Kushok Palungrada, People's Alliance for Peace and Progress, Manipur Nashor Karli Bohaira. People's Alliance for Peace and Progress, Manipur, BABPM na press release ligahang, Kuki National Organization na Central Kala State Shokarwi Alungli, 2008 Pai Gajang, SOO Kare Kwirada Juwiana, Kasaysang Mamandara Haira. Chita the suspension of operation agreement ji Zomi Revolutionary Organization, Zomi Revolutionary Army, Ainala 2008 kum shoi sangaroga jia. BABPM nagahang suspension of operation with advantage kuida militant groups being weak hanga jonaina Manipur week pungli Bobby linga sangshok dale Manipur li nishari pungung pungwa ga sala chung sanghaira la militant groups being china SOO advantage kuida kapungli Myanmar's national school dale da BABPM na hanga Hills district kai kali extortion la handmaker da shokhaira jia People's Alliance for Peace and Progress Manipur we Janpur Jili Kahang Kuki National Army KNA we President La Supreme Commander B Soyang Haukip KNO we Chairman Chi Myanmar now na GNO spokesperson Mizoram now Dr. Silan Haukip la Myanmar's connection layer ZRO we President Tang Lian Bola Myanmar's na Rida Myanmar Parliament we member la Sasayada press release Jili Hangsanga Center Aina Manipur Shorkar na Kiwivang Myanmar's nationals na kasing militant groups pingli suspension of operation agreement kalay kalada BABPM na kangahan saya. Shorkar na chingri kwaiwi amingay na atumli Manipur wi ngalay jisin laga pangkamaya national interest li sazang asagda kalay tayada People's Alliance for Peace and Progress Manipur na pongshoka. Ajahon habda kupsangahai kashine National Kung Fu Championship li Tangkhul na maikaya sampanghaira tan black belt panga sampangahaya Shimayon Ningshan kala awi katamnao Temrejan Kansuna gold medal yuida Manipur wivang maikaya ngasaya Shimayon Ningshan wi katamnao green belt kagahai Temrejan Kansuna under 19 full contact 50 to 55 kg category wili called samgapangna Kazipji Kung Fu Sports Committee Gujarat Namakok Mida, Buddhist Kung Fu Federation of India Nalagatom Kamili Zanga. Ngahanchi Gujarat li Ajawan Tarik Mugada Panga Aina, Mugada Shinyai na Dangda Rumia. Master Shimayon Nation Ukrul Times Ligahang, Temrejan hi Mumbai Likale Shimayon wi Martial Arts Academy li Ajugum Bagazangna. Singum Tarada Jisha Temrejan Kansu hi Jinjoy Kulan now, Jacob Kansu wi Naumirana. Achugum saga hai ngahan nga dede dali kansuna gold medals mati sampang hairajia. 14th All Mumbai Suburban Wushu Championships 2022 League Gold Yuida Best Fighter Mingpo Sampang 20th International Sports Jeet Kune Do Championship 2022 Kala 5th National Level Ancient Martial Arts All Styles Martial Championship 2022 Lila called Sampanga. Liram Hili Miyaulak Kahai Shimayon Ningshan na awi professional career li gold medal Tarada Shini Sampanghaira Kala Gujarat li Rungkami 7th National Kung Fu Championships 2022 we open Daulu Lila called Samgapangna Shimayon Ningshan hi is to some now Ringai Ningshan we now Miyarana Katamnaw tara kali train sa ga hai shimayon hi international national scale state level nga han nga te dali zang hai luram chile phaikar mathala kai na khui ga hai mina India we Northeast region we Shom Shirin ayar nga leli jiho ka shok mathala kai na matai sang hai rajidale Ministry of Commerce and Industry na gahang tha kha sadra ga hai singom tharo khili Northeast we agricultural products export 85% matai ga thai hui haira export chi 2016 to 17 kum $2.52 million li lega sa chi 2021 to 22 kum $17.2 million ka shung haira chia kala export ka sa chi madai la kai na Bangladesh Bhutan Middle East UK kala Europe ngaleli jihosho ga dahanga Agricultural and Processed Food Export Development Authority ABEDA na entrepreneurs kala exporters pingwibang capacity building kala projects ngadade da midale farmer producer organization saina farmer producer companies la state garling shikda skill development la ga shagaza ga sem ga highway training value addition bi maram la hangjithe yada ministry china hanga Johar rice bulao Black rice kheer higathawi wet sampling sakhmi zangda ABEDA na Northeast vi na kashok kiwi wine processed foods higatha od being promote sami dalai da hangsanga Lenganong chumai mashamai vashung kwai da ABEDA na importers pingli award kami apung ngadate da khurami haira kala Central Food Technology Research Institute Myseraina Indian Institute of Food Processing Technology ling shikda Northeast State pingli training programs phanga thangwewang la rungmi da leida hanga Naka yurwewang siha gasa yari gase Violent Baptist Church phungre dangli rungmi ki da leida le gazipchi khayon direction ni wiaina hapok laga tharaina dangrajia Ichumpro holi mai ngareung li shisa gachi Iknguira zingli direction ni thang welcome service li VPC phungre chang pastor Reverend Mayon Singh alung na machimira Somdal Baptist Church pastor Reverend Abing Kamrang na kamachugui osin simira Naka yur wibang siha gasa gazipchi direct jishadai na jiko thang ngathor ngshun session gachumrib kala ngaya khokarum ngaran ngaye leidale Naka yur wibang siha gasa gazipchi li Somdal Baptist Church pastor Reverend Abing Kamrang, Numpi Baptist Church pastor and Reverend K. Varayo, Sihai Kolan Baptist Church pastor Reverend Victor Kamgara, Gala WDR chaplain Ngatingmi Zimik Atumna Madume Sada Zangdale. Gala Rupai Unao Chairman Somi Gasomo, DBCA Executive Secretary Reverend Dr. Mathatmi Vasha, TNBC Finance Secretary Ramthar Gasomoshi, UBC Ukshulwi pastor Reverend Remember Rimai, STNBA Youth Secretary Reverend Resang Mishinglai, Retired Steering Executive Member Major General RVS Shangam KMS Tanchok, DBCA Mission Secretary Reverend Theophilus Simic, GPRN WVW Kilonser Shimray A. Shishak, Tangkhul Naga Unao Long President S.A. Ramganing, Chingai Baptist Church pastor Reverend Dr. M. Ninghor, and DNBA Executive Secretary Reverend H.A. Tamringam, Retired Steering Executive Member Major General R.S. Chinayo, Somtal Hatman RVS Pungnang, VBC Puritang Associate Pastor Reverend R.S. Robert Atumla, Kasasang Mebing Sadang Ran Ngaye Jilizangdale. Violent Baptist Church Puritangli Rumiki Dakle, Nagayur Wivang Sehagasa, Yari Gazip Jui, Gabi Gabam Katijashi Church Group Nangaranra, Choir Seat VBC Puritang Nakwimira, Fasting Lira Gazang Saigoro Wivang Ngazin Pasat Ngaranmira. Directioni Wiaina Jigoaina Dangdang Ngazin Pasat Bung Matilira, Kala Prayer Cell, Group Bina, Katija Church we Yaugahomo we, Sokami Quilaga Razang Misir Renuda, Makok Mana Gachite Mishoka. Let Luida Ajuwe Kamadaya Baobing. District Gajida Price Monitoring Center, Haimi Kawai Center Shokana Chisili Hera. Nakalandi President's Rule, Haimi Kawai BMD Petition Misang Hera. Ajuwe Bao Hiling Jang Hera, Bao Nganada Kalina Tum Saigorali, Ringapangala, Kamahaya Zimishong Sasirano.